Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, do archived videos stay on your Loom account forever? So this is going to be particularly useful for people, let's say in my case, I want to be able to actually know which videos I've already edited. And so the way I'm indicating if a video has been edited is by archiving it. So let's take, for example, this video here, how to edit recurring invoices on FreshBooks. If you click on these three dots and then click on archive, that video has now been pushed to archive. So notice on the right-hand side how it says 29 videos are within my library. If I go ahead and click on refresh, now the count has been moved to 28 videos just because I've archived one of those videos. So under the archive tab here, if you go ahead and click on that, you're going to see that this video count is now one video. So the video that I just archived is how to edit recurring invoices on FreshBooks. So to answer your question, archived videos are going to stay on your Loom account indefinitely until you actually delete the video. So with this archive video, this is going to stay here forever, which is really good because I do want it to stay on my Loom account. If I click on these three dots, you're going to see an option to delete the video. If you delete the video, you will not be able to retrieve it. So do archive videos stay on your Loom account indefinitely? Yes, they do, which is a good thing, but I'm going to go ahead and unarchive this. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you know of a better or easier way to actually answer this question, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.